Our melting pot is brought to you courtesy Meats by Linz. We're continuing to roll out some recipes. This one brought to you by the folks at Malabar Farms, new branch down Dockside, Shakarama. If you haven't checked it out yet, go down Shakarama and hang it down on the west side. Malabar Farms, Dockside. And they have these new brand of burger patties. All brought to you by Linz Meats. Linz also has, I used it on some steaks last week. Just seasoning, just some basic salt. And using the power of the Linz steak seasonings and meat seasonings. You can use it on any type of meat. And I season these burger patties with them. And I'm getting my pan nice and hot. I love a pan seared. I really, you can put it on the grill. I love to grill as well. But when you pan sear, there's something about it that just kind of seals it. All the juices, all the seasonings. It's fantastic. So I have a little bit of oil. Once you have a nice hot pot, guys, just want to take your burgers. Yeah. That's the sound you want to hear. At this stage, you must play around with the people burger.
Yeah, right.
Just leave it there. I want about a minute or two on either side for medium well. I'm gonna find out how Adrian likes it.
Just as you say there, medium well.
Medium well.
Like nah. Right. I like to taste the seasoning and all the juices of the meat.
So I'm literally just timing this project about a minute or two on either side. That's what you call perfect sear. At this stage, guys, what I like to do is drop some cheese on it. I like to drop some cheese on it there. Cover him down. Allow it about it.
Smelling good, man.
Smelling good.
Smelling good.
Just when the cheese is just ready to kind of melt.
Yeah.
What I like to do at this stage, I use a little bit of LLG butter just before I take it out. Just a little scoop in there. LLG butter makes everything on the test. So I just kind of allow the butter.
Looking so good. Yeah. Mouth watering just watching it anyways.
You need to come with me.
Yeah.
The mouth watering now.
Alright.
I wanted to build these burgers together. This burger is called the Big Joe Burger. So I stole this idea from my good chef buddy. He created a burger a few years ago when he had a restaurant on the avenue. Chef Jason Huggins, we call him Huggies. Chef Jason did a burger where he topped his burger with pulled pork.
Pulled pork.
So think of a lovely patty, just like we have from Linz here. And you top that burger with some nice seasoned pulled pork, and then you dress it accordingly. That's what I'm going to try to mimic today. And this here is just a little pulled pork that I kind of pulled together with a pork leg. And I kind of just stripped it up.
Nice.
Alright, so we're going to be topping the burger with some pulled pork. I told you it's meat and more meat. Mm-hmm. I like a little mix of barbecue sauce and mayonnaise.
Alright.
So work with me. You're building your own burger, you know? Yeah. So you have your spoon there. Mm-hmm. And all I want you to do is on either side.
Both sides?
Yeah, either side. I want both sides. You spread evenly. I would like to take the lettuce now and probably just cover with a nice lettuce. Yeah, and I think we're ready for the burgers.
So I can just go upon any tomatoes and the pulled pork one. Alright.
You do you, Adrian.
Alright.
You do you. You ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
I mean, alright.
We're dribbling.
I know I was.
Let's close on these burgers.
Hey.
Let's close on these burgers.
Oh yeah.
I want to tell you, these patties are so delicious. Head down to Malabar Farm, Dockside, down Shagaram, and pick up these Linz burgers. It's so fantastic, trust me. Cheers, my brother.
Cheers, bro. I think I'll suck on my face, huh? New stuff.